This video was filmed about a year and a half ago when my son Stetson went with his grandpa, which is my dad, and my uncle down to a antique truck show down in Brooks, Oregon. They're riding down in the 1977 Ford crew cab that my dad bought new when I was 7 years old, and this truck was our family vehicle for many years. It's been back and forth across the country many times. It's had 4 different engines in it. My dad's done a ton of work and modifications over the years. It had an Isuzu diesel in it for a few decades, and then recently, a few years ago, he put a Cummins diesel in it. This truck has also run on gasoline, diesel, and propane over the years. It's just mainly a toy right now. He's kind of restored it and whatever. He enjoys taking it down to shows like this. This was a big gathering they do every year down in Brooks, Oregon. My dad likes to go down there. He's been to it several times. It's always in the end of August, and Stetson rode down with him this time and documented just a little bit of the experience. But this is what Torque Junkies is all about, is just making these memories with family and friends around a shared passion, something like this. So I'll let the video speak for itself, and I hope you enjoy it.
What's going on, guys? My name's Stetson Malco, and you're watching Torque Junkies. Today, my grandpa and I and his buddy Joe are going to be headed to a truck show in Brooks, Oregon. We're going to be taking my grandpa's truck here. It's a 1977 custom Ford F-250. It's got a nice wood bed in the back, dual stacks. It's a really fun truck to ride in and to drive. And we're going to be taking it down to the show today. The show goes till Sunday, so I'm looking forward to being able to spend some time with my grandpa this weekend, and grateful I'm able to bring you guys along with us. So with that being said, we're going to hit the road now. Well, we finally made it to the show today. Took us like 8 hours, which is crazy because for those of you that don't know, we live in Seattle and we were basically going just outside of Portland. So 8 hours was like ridiculous. It usually takes about 4 to 5 according to my grandpa. He usually attends this show every year. So my brain's kind of shot right now. We're at the hotel finally. We've been at the show, checking out the light show actually, because tonight they did like what they call a light show where they turn on all the lights on the trucks. So anyways, we're at the hotel now. We're gonna try and get in and get some rest and prepare ourselves to head back to the show tomorrow and enjoy checking out some trucks. I think it's gonna be a good day. It's been real cloudy and wet today, which is very different for August, you know, because usually it's very warm right now. In fact, sometimes it's up 90s or close to 100, so for it to be kind of cool right now is weird. I mean, I could see my breath earlier and whatnot, but anyways, we're gonna get in and get some rest now. Okay, still at the hotel. This is really funny. I'm just chilling in the truck, but my grandpa and buddy Joe Brown are outside right now, busy talking with guys. That's the thing with this truck. You get so much attention in it. It's hilarious. Like, we're just pulling up here to check in the hotel and these 3 guys just, actually no, 4 guys just come out of nowhere and just walk up to them and just start chatting with them about the truck and checking it out and all that. So anyways, I just think it's funny because so many people think it's just the coolest truck, and funny how distracted they can get just chatting with guys, but it's good. It's really good. Got it. Well, we made it back from the show. It was a fun show. Great opportunity to spend time with my grandpa. Saw an Audi R8 on the way down there, and we saw a truckload of C706s on the way back, so that was cool. But yeah, overall, just a fun show. The weather was pretty decent. It was kind of overcast and kind of cloudy, wet, but not too bad. There was still some sun, so just a fun show. And like I said, it was a blessing to be able to spend time with my grandpa, and looking forward to the next one with him and yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and Lord willing, we'll see you in the next one.
Well, that's what Torque Junkies is all about. It's not about perfection, but it's about making memories around a shared passion for anything with a motor in it. These memories that Stetson has with his grandpa and my uncle will be something he'll always remember, and those are the things that are truly important. So I encourage you to get away from all the screens and electronics and all that stuff and get out there and make some of these memories yourself. Life is short. We really need to reconnect in person and make some of these memories, because these are the things that we'll remember forever. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have a story of your own that you would like to share with us, we're looking for stories to tell, because that's the whole point of this channel, is to build a community around people that want to share their stories and encourage other people to make their own stories. It doesn't take a bunch of money. You don't have to have a fancy vehicle. You could just go to a car show. You could go looking for Hot Wheels. You can go to a NASCAR event. You can go boating. You can do all kinds of things. But if it's something that involves a motor, we'd love to hear about it, and we'd love to share your story on this channel. So let us know in the description or in the comments. Send me a DM if you'd like. But otherwise, until then, we'll see you in the next video.